Oh snap. That's one pissed off seagull right there. That's what happens when you catch seagulls.
That right there is the bait activity we've been looking for.
He sure does know how to rattle that topwater. Whoa shit! Whoa shit! Bird on! Bird on!
Yo, nigga, come on down. Yo, nigga, you straight up hooked this bird.
Yeah, he's mouth hooked. Beak hooked, whatever.
Alright, someone get the hook out.
I'm a cameraman, alright?
In my bag, I do.
How do you fucking mouth hook a seagull?
He ain't gonna bite you. Just don't hook me with the other hook. Anybody want to take a picture, Team Ghost? Take a picture.
Hold up. I can get a screenshot off my video. So we'll just stand there, look pretty. Alright, we're good.
Now, hey, now you sight cast.